Wood is the material for furniture and home decor that will never go out of style. If you are a lover of wood in its purest state, then that is already a plus point when decorating your home, regardless of the season of the year. In that sense, the time that passes or the style of the architecture of your home are not a problem, because when we talk about wood, we refer to a timeless and immortal material that can fit perfectly and naturally with any decorative style, also adding a distinctive touch to the property in which it is placed that will make a difference in your decoration. Plenty of variety is available for style and look due to the vast range of wood tones and colors available. And this is excluding the subtle but noticeable differences between the textures and grains of different cuts and species. There is further variety available beyond the actual material. According to what type of furniture is being constructed, every furniture maker offers a different slant on design along with personal tastes. When it comes to wooden decorative pieces, there is little uniformity but certainly a lot of scope to get creative design-wise and ensure a one-of-a-kind piece. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we have brought to you yet another collection of easy-to-make purposeful and decorative wooden pieces ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Natural wood, compared to other materials like plastic derivatives, offers much higher resistance. Wooden decor items made of woods of solid origin are the most durable over time. Wood is like wine, it just gets better with age and never seems to lose its beauty. Even with the increasing number of modern materials, it could be difficult to prefer wood for contemporary interiors. But there are several reasons which make interior designers faithful to using wood in their projects. Wood has been used for centuries to create homes and objects that reside inside them, from traditional wooden floors to building-quality furniture. Alongside the variety of use cases, wood has other fascinating properties. It is strong and durable, making it a long-lasting choice. It is easy to use both for professional builders and DIY fans. It has great properties, distinct style, unique appearance and qualities. Combined with the wood's delicate and warm appearance, these strengths make it the ideal contemporary style interior design and decor material. As a natural material, small differences in texture and neutral colors are part of the beauty of wood. It is also one of the natural materials that age very well and is low maintenance. This makes wood suitable both for domestic and commercial spaces. With the right treatment, wood can be used also in wet rooms like bathrooms or spas and also in a contemporary kitchen. Wood is a natural material and less damaging to the environment than some other indoor decorative materials. Processing wood releases less carbon that can be otherwise harmful to the environment and our health. Furthermore, wood has outstanding insulating properties, thus incorporating it into your home will ensure space is cooled or heated nicely. Plus, it can absorb excessive noise, making it a better place for your mental well-being. When you compare the benefits of adopting wood in your home instead of its price, you will be amazed. Wood has a very good price and quality ratio to be used in interior design. For example, creating a statement wall in your dining room or enhancing neutral shades in a contemporary style bathroom doesn't require much material and the installation is also quick and easy. Not only is wood aesthetically pleasing, but you can also design and use it in different ways to give charm, warmth, and earthiness to a space. When used the right way, wood can transform a space into a sanctuary. Wood surfaces can easily be treated with bold colors to brighten up the interior or sanded to get the original neutral tones back afterwards. Thermally modified wood has rich tones, making it an alternative to exotic wood. Besides the soothing properties wood brings to an area, it is one of the natural materials that can be adapted to provide a different look and aesthetic. Combining different profiles allow you to add visual interest and tactile qualities to a room. Wood can be polished, sanded, painted, and given a glossy finish if needed. Even if you decide not to modify the wood, it can still be crafted into several designs and features that can highlight its features and aesthetic. Wood is perfect to complement any style, decor, and color tone. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked easy-to-make purposeful and decorative wooden pieces ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.